Welcome to Playtime with Selena and Carla. Today we're gonna make cornbread. Here are our ingredients. Today we're gonna need our bowl and some 2 eggs. And we're gonna need 2 boxes of corn muffin mix and 2/3 of milk. We're gonna pour it in. It's out!
We're gonna take the lumps out.
How you do? Yeah. Oh, now we're gonna crack the eggs. We just added 2 eggs, and now we're gonna do the sugar and the milk. So I'm gonna mix it.
Yes, finally. I've been waiting for this moment. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Add the milk first. Oh yeah, sugar. Sugar first.
Okay. Put in the milk. No. Now we're gonna add some honey. Honey time.
Ooh. Like mixing everything in.
We're gonna preheat the butter into the pan. Now we're gonna do this.
Oh, are you serious?
We're gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Look at our finished product. Grab the corner.